Well, hey everyone, and welcome back to the Rufi Alday YouTube channel. I am Rufi Alday, and if you're considering a move to Clovis, California, you've probably heard whispers about this particular town, Clovis. But here's the thing. Please don't make that mistake of selecting the wrong property or the wrong community when relocating here to Clovis, California. We get calls daily from people thinking about moving to Clovis, relocating here, and I want to make sure you have all the right information. So call, text, or email. Here's my contact information below. And before you take that leap in thinking about Clovis, California, reach out to me. And this is a beautiful town. And so today I want to show you a property that truly embodies the best of Clovis, California living and why it's such a rare find. We're talking about 146 Sierra Avenue here in Clovis. Zip code is 93612. We're currently listed at $569,900 with my colleague Sarah Gillespie. Shout outs to Sarah allowing us to showcase this beautiful property here in Clovis. As you step into this stunning, fully remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, it's nestled on a generous 1/3 acre fenced lot right in the heart of acclaimed Clovis Unified School District. This home perfectly blends modern design with rustic charm. It's boasting vaulted ceilings, exposed wood beams that create an incredible sense of space and warmth. You'll find cedar-lined closets and oversized bathrooms that truly offer like a spa-like retreat. Imagine both a spacious living room and a separate family room, ideal for growing families, entertaining guests, or simply having plenty of room to spread out. The chef's kitchen is a dream, featuring a walk-in pantry, abundant storage, a custom wine cellar, finished throughout. Every bedroom is oversized, offering comfort, privacy, beautiful natural light. And outside, this expansive lot provides ample RV parking and access, plenty of room for play, pets, or even future additions. Located within easy walking distance to the vibrant Old Town Clovis, this home delivers unmatched convenience and elegance for the family and family-friendly living. This is a rare opportunity to own a turnkey property that offers both character and luxury. But why Clovis? Why are so many people choosing to make Clovis their home? Let me give you top 5 reasons why Clovis is California's hidden secret, not so secret anymore, of serenity and affordability. Number 1, unmatched school district. Clovis Unified School District is consistently ranked among the best locally and nationally, a primary draw for families seeking top-tier education. This property is right in the heart of Clovis Unified School District. Number 2, relative affordability. While California's housing can be expensive, Clovis offers a significant advantage. Our housing costs are notably lower compared to the national average and dramatically more affordable than areas like the Bay Area and Los Angeles, making home ownership a reality for many. Number 3, exceptional quality and life amenities. From the charm of Old Town Clovis, with its unique shops and restaurants, to beautiful parks and the convenience of a new development like the upcoming second largest Costco in Fresno, Clovis offers a fantastic lifestyle. Plus, we're the gateway to incredible natural beauty with Shaver Lake, Bass Lake, and Yosemite National Park just a short drive away. Number 4, robust and diverse economy. The broader Fresno Clovis metropolitan area boasts a strong and diverse job market with significant sectors in agriculture, high-tech, medical, and hospitals. This economic stability provides a solid foundation for residents and supports property values. And number 5, Bay Area migration. We're seeing a consistent influx of residents from higher cost areas like the Bay Area, drawn by our affordability and quality of life. This sustained demand keeps our market healthy and vibrant. And now, thanks for staying tuned to the end. Now for investors or those looking ahead, this property offers an additional incredibly timely opportunity with its generous 1/3 acre lot, quiet neighborhood. 146 Sierra Avenue presents a strong potential for a residential care facilities. You know, California's senior population, driven by the aging baby boomers, that would be me as well, is projected to more than double by 2040. And the demand for residential care beds is expected to exceed supply in the upcoming years. Our zoning in Clovis permits small residential care homes for 6 or fewer persons with a site plan review. This property could be perfectly adapted to meet this growing need, offering a compassionate service while stable income stream. So, before you make one of the biggest decisions of your life and relocate to Clovis, California, please call me or text me and let's talk. Let me help you navigate this incredible market and ensure you find the perfect property in this hidden secret of serenity and affordability in California. Don't just move here right. So I look forward to connecting with you.